Hi guys, my name is Sahil and I'm a no-code developer. Today's tutorial about Bubble uh, platform. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a pop-up who can show up timely according to a current user. Like you can use in a condition like when you have three plans, one is free and other two is paid. You can show timely a free user a pop-up about upgrade plan. 1 minute. I'm gonna show you, but this is show how this work like this. I'm taking a logic of showing pop-up in a page count 5. You can use different number according to you average on how many current user come in your dashboard in weekly, because this is also disturb to the user if you show pop-up again and again. Let's start it. Delete it. Okay. Okay, this is a pop-up which is I made previously. Upgrade your plan. This is two button. I deleted the logic of these two button. Okay, this is dashboard page and sign up page. It's on index. Currently I'm signing. Let's start. Like first we have to create data type for the user as a number, page count. Okay. Okay, now you can take a like page logic, page loads, make a change to the current user. Page loads is equal to current user page load plus 1. Okay. Now second workflow we use, okay, when condition is true. I'm taking as a 5 because you can take any number as an average when your users come into dashboard in weekly, because you not show regularly because it disturb the user again and again if you show pop-up. As you wanted, you can show as on average on weekly basis. One more thing, option set I taking a user plan, so I taking to show how in main condition how it will work. Option set. Uh, I'm always set its value O front of this, which not makes a confusion when you selected in workflow. When current user page count is 5 and current user plan is free. Element show pop up, which is you can see a pop up name. Oh, I'm not giving it. Okay, I'm again take a lodging at no thanks. Okay, okay, sir. No thanks. Make a change. Current user page count is equal to 0. You can see now when page load to 5, then show pop up, then and again go back. No thanks to go back to 0. This is work not work if we not selected a free plan. I'm already signed up. Okay, let's see. Okay, one more thing. Hi pop-up. You can 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, page count 2. This is page count 3. This is page count 4. This is page count 5. You can see here is a page count 5. Now no thanks. Now let's go back to 0. You can show this pop-up again and again. This is the today main purpose to showing how to pop up to your users on different on their different plans, because if the user have not a suppose not a free plan, is not going to show up this pop-up. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not gonna showing up because it is not on free plan. I'm taking 5 as example. Is you can take on the average in a weekly how many times you want to show a pop-up on average, like 20 to 25 if a users, depending on how many users, how many they come to a dashboard on your own. This is the today main purpose to showing timely pop-up showing up to the users according to their plan. You can use on different conditions. Thanks for watching. Thank you.